From Nancy Iskander, the mother of Mark and Jacob, who were killed by Rebecca Grossman. She has an emotional response to the verdict. Let's listen in.
Evil defense attorneys, but they've done their job, and we are now ready to start our healing process, and we're trusting the justice system. We have a justice system you can trust. From our experience, it's not a justice system where people get away with things based on their color of their skin or their wealth or anything. If you commit a crime, you will be held accountable. So we're very thankful, and it's now time to do good in the name of Mark and Jacob.
What would you mention more about what it would like to have to sit here through all these court proceedings?
So, you know, I think I've said this from the beginning of the trial. This trial, every day in court here, felt like I'm attending the funeral of the boys again, day after day. That's how it felt. And seeing the defendant and seeing the defense attorneys, it just was that bad.
Can you said your boys were with you. Could you just talk to us about Mark and Jacob?
Well, this would be good. Well, they were godly children. They loved God. They were raised at the church. They were hardworking. They were honest. They cared about the truth, and they were spoke for by a prosecution who's also just that, hardworking, honest, cares about the truth. So we cannot be more thankful. We feel blessed. We're part of this community.
Nancy, what was your initial reaction when you heard that first verdict come down, the very first one, when it first came down?
It felt like all the stress of the years and hard work and the hope has paid off, you know. And someone is now held accountable. Mark and Jacob didn't die. Mark and Jacob were murdered. That's how I'll be thinking tonight as I go to bed.
What would you like to see as far as a sentence? I know that's coming up next month, or very well, month and a half.
I'll leave that up to the judge.
Nancy, I know that you're a kind person. I can tell you're a gentle person. What was it like to see Rebecca Grossman put in handcuffs?
Obviously heartbreaking. No one wishes that on anyone. I promise I do not have any hate for her. My heart broke for her children. I saw when her son was there, I saw Mark, who would be 15 now. You know, I'm a mother, you know, and so it wasn't easy, but it will bring me closure.